Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone. Clean the lens with a microfiber cloth and remove any obstructing case. Once done, open settings right arrow camera and enable grid, HDR auto, and preserve settings so controls stay where you set them. Make sure to tap the screen to set focus and pull the exposure slider down a little to avoid blown highlights. Use AE/AF lock for consistent framing. This gives you a reliable baseline for each shot before moving into composition and lighting adjustments. Now refine composition and lighting. Use the grid to apply the rule of thirds and align horizons for cleaner frames. Next, position your subject in soft directional light. Backlight or golden hour often works best because the XR's dynamic range benefits from controlled contrast. Make sure to use the 1x lens and manually lower exposure when highlights threaten to clip. Then bracket 3 shots with minor exposure changes to capture details. Also, move closer rather than cropping later. This preserves sharpness and reduces noise. Finish with advanced tweaks. Use a third-party app like Halide to shoot RAW and control shutter, ISO, and focus precisely so you can recover detail in post. Stabilize the XR on a tripod or hold it against a solid surface. Enable live photo for short burst stabilization. When things go wrong, images too noisy or soft, reduce ISO, use a longer exposure on a tripod, or merge bracketed frames in editing. If focus misbehaves, clean the lens again and reset camera settings, then retry the same controlled shot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.